Welcome aboard the producer here. The producer's a 65-foot Seaway. It was built in 1977. The producer's been owned by the Brenha family for 20 years now. It's operated by Frank Brenha and Armando Marquez. We've added a lot of brand new electronics on board just last year. State-of-the-art Furuno electronics that the best that money can buy on any of these boats, including the 3D sonar, side scanning Furuno sonar, multiple up and downs. The Galley, as you can see, has comfortable seating for 24 people, but 15, 16, 18 people fit in here really well. We have the 4 TVs in here, which is pretty cool. Our chef is a classically trained chef. Breakfast burritos and cheeseburgers, but we try to keep them high quality. Well-known artist Michael Rumsey, he's very well known for his surfboard designs. If you look him up, his work is incredible. For a boat of our class, we definitely hold a lot of bait, over 100 swings in each one of the 3 tanks if we want to. Our bunk room down here can sleep 36 people comfortably. As you can see, all new vinyl, curtains, new flooring. There recently was a lot of work done in the bunk room that you can't visually see because it has to do with the hull of the vessel, strengthening the hull and eliminating a lot of the creaks that you would find in a typical wooden boat. We added some storage. The outboard bunks are all double wides. We do have great air conditioning system down here. It's very cold. That fish hold can carry up to 10 tons. So it's all coils, refrigerated coils, and we add water in there and it frosts up. It gets incredibly cold. Actually just repowered. We have 2 brand new John Deere engines. They're only 3 years old. We have a cruising speed around 10 to 11 knots. We hold a lot of fuel so we can do long trips.